If you're looking for a simple and effective small stepladder, something that you could fold up and put away whenever you don't need it, but is so light and portable that you can take it out and carry it from location to location if needed, then I would really recommend this really nice stepladder. Now, I've had this for a couple of years now, and I really do appreciate its simple design. I like the fact that it has a bit of a textured design on the actual steps themselves for added stability. And then right here in the back is a lever that you pull to be able to collapse the ladder, which I will show you right now. So to collapse the ladder, all you have to do is grab the handle right here with your other hand. You pull on the lever in the back of the top step. It comes out, and now you can easily fold it away. And then when you're ready to use the stepladder again, you just pull back up on this same lever and you pull it back. And now it is back in its original position. So that's been my review of this stepladder. It's very simple and easy to use. I like how portable it is. And I'm really happy I got this because it's never been easier for me now to be able to reach ceiling fans, reach ceiling lights, reach the tops of curios and refrigerators. If you're interested in purchasing this product, I will leave a link for you to be able to do so in the description. It is an affiliate link, so I will receive a commission if you do make a purchase, but it will be at no additional cost to you.